So I wanted to also show you guys my solution. I didn't buy a Christmas top or sweater this year. I have one that I used last year, and it's kind of thick and like warm, and since it's winter we have the heat on right now in the apartments, so it tends to get really hot, and I don't want to be like with my family like sweating and stuff like that. So I've had this like sweater short sleeve top for a while, and it's one of the few red tops that I have. So I figured I needed to make it Christmassy. I'm sorry guys, there's like a truck passing by. That's what happens when you live when you live facing the street. See if it'll go away. I'm sorry. So they were selling in Christmas tree this year these pins, and I actually did in my style page, style by KMC Stilo on Instagram. If you guys want to go check it out, I did some photos of how you can create like any sweater and turn it into an ugly Christmas sweater by using these pins. They actually had, I think, 3 or 4 sets, and I think I bought all of them. And so I just chose these 3 pins, and I already pinned them onto the shirt. See, you guys can see they already have the pin in the back. So I already pinned them onto the shirt, and this is what I'm going to wear today for Christmas Eve. As you guys know, we Hispanics celebrate Christmas Eve as like Americans celebrate Christmas Day. Like for us, this is the night that we celebrate. We call it Noche Buena, and this is when the family gets together and eats and just spends like their Christmas time. And I'm gonna pair it with these pleather paper bag pants because they're comfortable. And now I'm still overweight. I still haven't lost all of my pregnancy weight, so these are the only pants that kind of fit flattering right now. So I'm gonna wear that, and then this shirt, it does look like pretty skinny, but it's very stretchy. It's just that since it's stretchy, it kind of cinches in when one is wearing it. But that's gonna be my outfit for tonight. So if you guys don't have any Christmas tops and you guys picked up these patches from Dollar Tree, if you guys see them, pick them up because they're great. I'm probably gonna use them every year because I can switch them up. I have as I said, there was like I think 3 different sets, so I can just switch them up and make my own Christmas tops every year, and even for my kids as well. So that was just like showing you guys what I'm gonna wear. If I take any pictures, I'll probably post them onto my Instagram, style by KMC Stilo. I'm definitely planning to take pictures of the baby though. I'll see you guys. Merry Christmas.